Brandon. This is my bike check. Start at the top. Got some ODI long neck grips. Animal metal Brandens. Kink Wolf bars and sandstone. The Primo Annihilator V1 front load stem. The Shadow headset, but I went to the Cordy's volume demo 2 days ago and they gave me a new headset cap. So I got a volume headset cap. Some bent CS2s to bent a little back. Demolition Phantom, Demolition Spokes, Alienation 7 up to Demolition Momentum. Got a Fit DAC frame. Kink Bike Co seat, a MacNeil post, integrated seat clamp, volume Bike Co sticker with a Fit Bike Co sticker behind it. Odyssey JC PC, an Odyssey Twisted PC. Demolition Medial 2.0 cranks, gotta paint them black. Animal Sprocket Balboa 22 sprocket, half a Colt chain and half a KMC chain, and Demolition rolls, hub, Demolition spokes, Alienation 7 up, Demolition tire. Then I got Shadow peg, G-Sport hub guard, Shadow peg and a G-Sport hub guard, and the Animal bottom bracket. Yeah. Oh, and a brake cap. Yeah. And yeah, I think it weighs like 22.5 pounds. Yeah, I use my dad's scale, so it's like an estimate. Alright, thanks.